Hi, in this video I will show you how to disable direct message on the Twitter. So the process is pretty simple. If you don't want to receive any message request or the messages from a user on your Twitter, you can simply follow this procedure. So first of all, open your Twitter mobile application, and once you will open it, you have to click on the three lines on the left top, and from here you have to click on the settings and the privacy, and in the settings and the privacy you have to click on the privacy and the safety, and from here you have to click on the direct message. And right now my this toggle is turned off, so I will so my direct message is off. So you can also disable in this way. If your toggle is turned on like this, you can simply click on it and you will not receive any direct message. In other words, your direct message will be disabled on the Twitter. So this is the way you can disable your direct messages on the Twitter. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.